Timing solution roadmap. Part number 1, overview. Firstly, what timing solution is? Actually, timing solution is software that allows to incorporate all techniques we know that allow to forecast future price movement. This is universal platform that allows to incorporate different techniques. This is not only charting tool software, astronomical software, astrological software, cyclical analysis software, statistical analysis software, neural network software, and so on and so on. All these features, as you see, you will see, present in timing solution. Really present different periods of time. I tried these models. But generally, this is not about that because you see different periods of time. Users accept timing solutions as a charting tool software because market variable software, then as charting tools plus astrological software, Wave 59, now as cyclical software because FIC. No. Timing solution, this is universal platform that allows to build forecast, to build model to forecast future price movement. Plus, timing solution software has some new models that some of them still do not have name. It's difficult to classify them. This is our know-how technology. Plus, this software incorporates my, Sergei Tarasov, skills received different periods of time. Firstly, it was specialized Kolmogorov Math School, very good school. This is an 18th school, Moscow. Another school, after that I studied in Moscow Institute of Physics and Technology. This is a Russian version of MIT, American MIT. Then I worked at the Institute of Nuclear Research, in Moscow. And after that, 30 years experience of working with financial data. I started to work with this financial data, then I worked in this Institute of Nuclear Research. Plus, you see right now, as it is now, 2025, timing solution software has more than 1 million lines of code. This is actually huge software. And me, Sergei Tarasov, and my son, Mikhail Software, developing this software more and more. So the software growing very fast because Mikhail are developing new feature with timing solution server, with AI. And but timing solution actually not about all that, because timing solution is not about all these techniques, not about my experience, not about even 1 million lines of code, because the truth is we really want to find the way to make forecast, to forecast stock market. Without this knowledge, everything else is zero. From my experience, at least 90% of techniques suggest idea simply do not work. We need to check tons and tons different ideas. Only 10%, I believe less than 10% ideas work. And plus we apply strict scientific methods to verify our techniques. So we need to make difference between the things we know and the things we don't know. Let's do that. Now look at this chart. This chart represents the techniques rated by their forecastability. Firstly, look at this gray sector. This is unknown factor. We don't know how price movement at that moment. Next step, this is major economical cycles. Mostly this is 42 months kitchen and inventory cycles. For economical data sets, mostly 5.5 year cycle works. There is special video about that. So major economical cycles allow to forecast 10% of price movement. So I recommend always start with economical cycle or with annual cycle. Annual cycle allow to forecast, I believe this is the most important cycle. Maybe better start with that, with this cycle. It allows, from my understanding, annual cycle allows to forecast about 15% of price movement. So I always recommend to start with economical cycle or annual cycle, doesn't matter. So these cycles, these two cycles should be first. Then I run spectrum and astronomical model and check other cycles. Firstly, on astronomical models, I check Venus synodic cycle, this is a 584-day cycle, and 2 years cycles. 2 years, it looks like this is Mars-Saturn heliocentric cycle. These two cycles present in many financial data sets. This is just my experience, a lot of experience. I checked a lot of periodograms, and also using the spectrum model, you can try some other, maybe some other strong model, strong cycles appear. But this is only 10% of forecast. This is not too much. Next, I recommend to check intermarket model, because in timing solution, intermarket model allows to build, to find leading indicator. Mostly leading indicator is based on gold price, but there are different variants. And neural net model. Intermarket this 10% and the neural net model 10%. This is mostly dynamic model, but there are some other models neural net, like a full astronomical model. It works good as well. So this is what we have now. So once again, firstly, I recommend to check two major cycles. This is major economical cycles to get the general picture, and annual cycle. Annual cycle works practically everywhere, because there is we have developed special technology, a shadow annual cycle that worked actually, yeah, very well. But what to do with this gray area, unknown area? Actually, I don't know, but we have some ideas. First idea, and the most promising, looks to start to work with inverted cycles. This is Q spectrum and new Astro model, and expected forecastability about 10-15% plus, maybe more. But you see, this I did this chart about around Christmas time, it seems to me 5 months ago. And since that, we have developed a new, this is annual cycles forecast protocol that actually looks very good. And next, what we can expect, this is Mikhail territory. He worked with Time and Solution Server, online services, with AI, artificial intelligence. Step by step, we improving this our Time Solution Server. But you see, since Christmas, there is new feature in Time Solution. There is AI expert that looks promising. So we started to work with AI as well. This is simplified AI, but later we incorporate a server, Time Solution Server. It will be a real full-scale AI. And another, you see, this is the most mysterious model. This is quantum models, quantum figures model. You see, this is a very specific model. You see, this is model, actually a chart, quantum figures looks like this Kagi chart. But we have, this is Kagi chart, you see this is steps. But in reality, our quantum figures, actually this is different. We have more complicated figures. And we run optimization procedure that finds the quantum values. I absolutely have no idea the potential input for this model. Maybe nothing, maybe we'll crack maybe we'll find universal solution for the stock market. I don't know. So we are waiting for quantum computers. But recently I considered idea to switch to multiprocessing, because now there are good multiprocessor processing computer. Maybe we will not wait quantum computers and we'll use multiprocessing. So this is our perspective. So as you see, we have a lot of work to do. Thank you.